Hello to this video Wordpress part 2. In my last video I explained what is Wordpress. In this video I'll show how to install Wordpress. To install Wordpress we need local server. You know that there is a Jam is local server, and then bitnami is local server. So today we will use bitnami as a local server. Okay, so let's get started. So let's take any browser. I have selected Firefox, and right here bitnami Wordpress. And click enter. Okay, there are a lot of links, right? Let's scroll down, and here you can see bitnami Wordpress take 4.9 download free, and click this link, and also I'll be adding this link on my YouTube description. Okay, from here you can come on this website. Okay, and scroll down, and here you can see download. Okay, and click this and close this. Okay, and now once you click on this, and it will be downloading. Okay, click this, it will download automatically, and now here you can see it's downloading, and basically it will take a few time to download. Okay, okay, if that is downloaded, and go where it is downloaded. Okay, so in my case it is download here. So after this is downloaded, and click on this to install. Okay, after clicking bitnami local server F, and you can see this pop-up box, and click OK. Okay, just wait few minutes, and you can see setup box. Okay, and click next, and you can see Wordpress or PHP my admin. Okay, these are selected by default, these are selected, and keep as these are. Okay, and here you can see that path means and where, and bitnami file you want install, their file where you wanna install. Okay, so if you want to change and this file, just click this. I want to change also, and click the here, and I'm gonna click and okay, and I'm gonna select a file. Okay, I'm gonna make that file live server. We can say local server. Okay, in this file I'm gonna install. Now it is selected, I'm gonna click and next, and here you can see your real name, and here and your name will be, so I'm gonna keep, and now here you can see your Gmail. You have to enter your Gmail. Okay, I entered my Gmail, and here you can see login. Login means, so, and this is the important, so while you login into Wordpress, you need these credentials, remember. So you should remember what you enter. So I'm gonna give here admin, and here admin 123. So, and make sure that and this password are getting matched. So I'm gonna write here. Okay, and after this, so make sure that you remember these credentials, login, admin, and whatever name you can enter here, just remember that, because of so while logging into WordPress we need these credentials. So after this, click next. So Gmail invalid, I'm so sorry. Do it gmail.co.com. okay, it's my Gmail. And then after this, oh I'm so we have to enter again password. Admin. Okay, after that, and click next, and you should leave as this is okay, and click this, and again this, and uncheck this, and next, and click this, and now it's preparing to install. Okay, it will take a few time. Bitnami has installed properly, we'll get a cPanel of the Bitnami. Okay, and we have to open that one. To open Bitnami cPanel, so and here, and in the chart bar we have to write bitnami. Okay, and here, yeah, so you can see Bitnami WordPress stake manager tool. So and it is only available if Bitnami local server installed properly on your desktop or laptop. Okay, and I mean that you will have only this option, I mean this panel of the Bitnami, if Bitnami has installed properly. Okay, then now we have to open. After clicking open of the cPanel options, I mean Bitnami cPanel options, after clicking that one, and you'll get this panel. Okay, this is called cPanel of the Bitnami local server. Okay, now here you can see there are a lot of options, right? Welcome and manage server, and click this manage server and make sure that MySQL database and Apache are running properly. If these are not running properly, and here you can see start all, and click this. Okay, and now click again welcome, and now here we have to click go to the application, and click this, and now here you can see access WordPress. Okay, you can see only if Bitnami install on your computer properly, and if we click on this option, and WordPress will get. Okay, now you can see, and this is the WordPress website. Okay, so and you can access this website if local server is running properly. Okay, Bitnami local server is running properly, and if you install local server of the Bitnami on your desktop, and you will get and this site, WordPress website. And now, and we will log in WordPress dashboard. Okay, to log in WordPress dashboard, we have to write here wp hyphen admin. Okay, and this you can see that after this link, WordPress/wp admin. Okay, we have to write, and this, and after this we have to hit enter, and you can see that login from of the WordPress. And now we need credentials. You know that I said you to remember while setuping Bitnami, right? And I also told you that to remember these credentials, right? WordPress username or password. Remember, if you remember, just enter here whatever username, whatever password you entered while installing and setuping Bitnami. I'm gonna enter username, and here 1 2 3, right? So, and click this, and whatever password, whatever username you entered while setuping Bitnami, and just enter, put here, and click login, and now I can see we are on the dashboard of the WordPress. Okay, now you can see we successfully install WordPress on the bitnami local server. Okay, and so far, if you have any problem and if you face any problem, just comment in my YouTube comment section, and whatever problem you face, comment that one and I will try to solve that one. Now I can see there are a lot of basically this is called WordPress dashboard. Okay, and now here you can see there are a lot of options, and step by step I will explain. Okay, and next video and I will explain deeply, step by step. Okay, so see you next video.